I'm craving for mushroom sauce. Ayan. Also, fried chicken or chicken. Oh my God. I'm excited. Real mushroom. Look at this. Here. Chicken. Let's see what we got here. I cannot wait. So, I eat while I'm cooking. Can't you? Because wait. Dili ko kahulat. Ayan ang vegetarian. Kung vegetarian tanong, siguraduhin talaga natin na may tatlong fried chicken or piritong manok. Tsaka maraming gulay, siyempre. Maraming gulay. Mag-add talaga tayo ng gulay. Ganito talaga yung healthy living. So, dapat ganito mag-housewife. Nag-diet ka, yung mong buhaton. Kanya, natay sauce diri. Oh. Kapinay pa natong sauce. Oh. Hawa. Sharo. Healthy living. Si housewife. Oh, kaon ta. Ngaon na ta kay ready naman tulo ka buok. Atong manok, daghan kayo ang gulay. Oh.